via fishing, they won't tolerate it. No Homeland Security man is going to tell them you can't go fishing here or there. And it will get ugly. And these are true Americans. Question, doesn't this ecological disaster fit perfectly for them to pump billions into the economy without a bailout? That's true, but it's in a very limited area. They will use it to inject a couple of $100 billion, and when it's all said and done, even though BP says it will pay, this will be used as an injection of money into the economy. Number two, comment on the Dow falling and the plunge protection team bringing it back up for 2 days now. They must not be they must not be ready for collapse just yet, and I agree to that. They're in trouble. Greece has just turned them upside down. They thought they were going to be able to stave this off and play a game, and the people surprised them. Number three, gold is now decoupled from everything, including the stock market. Gold used to go down when the market crashed. Not now. I am not keeping any money in the bank just enough to pay my bills that are due. I believe that they may and will do anything right now, such as close banks, whatever, as things are so chaotic, and I am safer holding my funds that aren't deployed in other currencies or trading. Do you think it is better to own shares in Canadian or Australian dollars? My answer is Canadian. Thanks. Keep up the good work. Tell Melody we all love her. They haven't met her yet. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that. Be nice. It's Friday.
Okay. I'm losing my voice. That's it.
Well,
go, baby,
some
go.
Pretty lengthy commentaries.
Well, they all love you. That's what they said.
Good commentaries, but lengthy.
Misguided souls that they are.
Hey. Well, we're almost at the bottom of the hour, and I got a lot of short questions, Bob. So we'll be getting into those after the break today. And I guess Ron Paul yesterday stated on Fox News that the present currency crisis is worse than the economic crisis. What do you say, Bob? This is in from John.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, these people don't have a clue yet. I mean, the whole thing's coming down. And they're going to have to pour money in at an unprecedented rate to keep it going. If they don't, we go straight down into deflationary depression. And gold will act better in that environment than it will with inflation, because it will be a permanent safety place to be when everybody else is home that have just dropped from 300,000 to 150,000, then drops to 100,000 or maybe lower and can't be sold because there's a 3-year inventory for sale, and the meatballs are still making 535,000 houses a year to be sold to whom I don't know. And so you don't want to be there. You don't want to be in the market, except for gold and silver shares. You don't want to be in bonds. Interest rates are going up. There's only one place for you to be: gold and silver coins and shares. And that's it.
It is amazing, though, when you listen. I watched a little bit of Kudlow yesterday and Kramer and so forth, and it's just amazing, when they have the people on there that are saying like it is, what people have to be aware of, pull your money out. I mean, it is just amazing how they spin it, and, I mean, they just won't admit it. And, it's very interesting to watch, and it's also sad because a lot of people will just lose everything that they have. I mean, this isn't going away.
And they could care less.
Yep, and they could care less. It's not going away.
I've been there. I know what they're all about.
It's only going to get worse, and they might be able to drag it on and bring in a couple of months like they had since January, but it's short-lived. So make sure you have your gold and your silver. 800-375-4188. We'll be right back. Sponsored by Discount Gold. And silver trading. Our telephone number is 1-800-375-4188. That's 1-800-375-4188. We had gold today at $12.08, down about $1, and you had silver up 69 at $18.38. If you would like a complimentary issue to the International Forecaster, give us a call on our 800 number, and that is 800-375-4188. And Bob, would you like to tell us about the International Forecaster, please?
Well, not before I tell you that gold was up as much as $14.30 in June.
Mm-hmm.
It's up $11.30 right now. And so it's been stronger in the June month, which will trade for another 25 minutes or so.
I heard December futures were 1,500.
Oh, it could be.
Yeah.
I don't get them.
Yeah, I heard.
And the price of silver in the June month was up 90 cents all day. You know, like somebody dug a hole and put silver in there. Well, it's up 89 right now, and gold's up 11.70 at 12.09 even. So the outside markets are very good. I don't want to bring that to everybody's attention. Gold should be up on Monday, and next week we should have a test of 12.20, and it should break. And the rally that everybody said we couldn't have, except me and a handful of other people, we're going to have. And we're going to 1,300. And then we're going to go to 15 to 1650, and we might even see 2,000 by the end of the year. So, if you haven't bought your coins, if you haven't added to your coins, see a psychiatrist. There's something wrong with you. We've been right on everything. Anyway, the International Forecaster is about business, finance, economics, social and political issues all over the world, including Pennsylvania. That spies on you. We know where you live.
Spies. We know who you are.
And we know who you are. Anyway, we publish by email twice a week on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Runs around 40 pages each time. We have a hard copy goes out twice a month for those who are not on the web. And if you'd like to get a free introductory copy, you can go to theinternationalforecaster.com. The International, Forecaster.com. Or, if you want to write us a note and get a free copy, you can go to email, BOB@INTFORECASTER.com, Bob@intforecaster.com, or you can call 800-375-4188. That's 800-375-4188.
Can I go home then?
Yes.
You want to finish the rest of the hour so I can go home?
Oh,
No
don't
fun.
leave me. I'll be lonely.
Well, folks, I'll be here till later on this evening, and coin prices.
You gonna go hit golf balls?
What?
You gonna go hit golf balls?
No, I just got lots of paperwork to do. I'll
What are
be
you
working.
doing?
I work. We had a good month in the coin prices, and in a month we had a $76 move in gold. I went back to April 7th, I think I went back, April 7th. And since then we had a $76 move in gold. Mint State 62 $20 liberties from that time. They're up 160. 63 cents are up 145. And here's the winner of them all. These are the major movers. You have Mint State 63 $20 liberties. They're up $305. And you have 64 cents up 165. Those were the main ones. All the other ones were, still up considerably, but these were the ones that just really popped out. So, folks, time and time again we tell you, and I've been telling you when these coins had hit the bottom that you should be in there and just buying them because all this excess premiums had come out, and now they're beginning to recapture. We still have a ways to go before they hit their highs of December, the middle of December when they hit their peaks. And it will take no time whatsoever to get back there. So if you're looking to get into gold, now's the time to do it. 800-375-4188. Incredible moves in those 63s. I did a trade yesterday, and by the time I got them locked in, they bumped me $50, $60. That's just like, what?
You playing bumper cars again?
Pretty much. Here we go. Here's some questions. And that one was just accidentally